Welcome back to Living English Lab. I'm Kevin, and I'm your survival guide. Real English, real places, where real people freeze, panic, and learn. Today, a clothing store. Sam needs to return a shirt. 3 polite phrases, 3 disasters. Let's begin. Last week, Sam survived Starbucks. This week, he walks into a clothing store with a receipt and a dream. Return this shirt, get his money back. 6 years of English, 3 sentences, total failure. This is that story, and this is how you avoid it. Sam stands in line, 3 people ahead. The shirt is in the bag, the receipt is in his hand, he's rehearsing. Hello, I want to return this, thank you. His turn. The cashier looks at him, young, tired, been here 8 hours. Sam smiles, polite smile. He says, "Excuse me, I want to return this shirt." The cashier blinks. She says, "Do you have the receipt?" "Yes, here." "Is there a problem with the item?" Sam panics. Problem. Is "I don't like it" a problem? He says the first polite thing. No problem, I just don't want it." The cashier's face changes. Not angry, just done. She says, "Store credit only, no cash refund." Sam freezes. What? He says the second polite thing. "But I have the receipt. I just bought it yesterday." The cashier sighs. She says, "Policy is policy. Store credit or keep it." Sam says the third polite thing. The killer. "Can I speak to your manager?" The cashier smiles. Not friendly, victorious. She calls, "Manager to register for, customer request." Sam stands there. 6 years of English, 1 shirt, 0 refund. Here's what actually happened. 3 phrases, 3 traps. Phrase 1, I want to return this. In English, I want sounds demanding, like a child. I want ice cream. Cashiers hear this and immediately go defensive. Better. I'd like to return this, please. Soft, polite. Same meaning, different feeling. Phrase 2, I just don't want it. This kills your refund. Don't want it means changed my mind. Store policy protects against this. You need a reason, any reason. The fit is wrong, the color is different than online. Give them something to write on the form. Phrase 3, can I speak to your manager? The nuclear option. In American customer service, this is a threat. You are saying, you are bad at your job. I want your boss. Use this only when broken. Sam used it first. Game over. Here's what Sam should have said. Hi, I'd like to return this shirt. It doesn't fit right. I have the receipt. Clear, polite, reason given, refund approved. Common mistake. I want to return this. Sounds demanding, like a child. Don't use I want in stores. Use I'd like. Another mistake. Can I speak to your manager? Nuclear option. Only when broken. Sam used it first. Game over. Now you. Imagine the counter. The cashier looks at you. You say, "Hi, I'd like to return this shirt. It doesn't fit right. I have the receipt." 1 sentence. Clear reason, receipt ready, no panic. Say it again. "Hi, I'd like to return this shirt. It doesn't fit right. I have the receipt." That's the lab for today. Next episode, Sam takes the bus. 5 words that make the driver skip your stop. If this helped you, subscribe to Living English Lab so you don't freeze when English hits fast. Real English, real places, real solutions. See you in the next episode.